This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your AirPods to your Android tablet. So I have a Lenovo tablet right here. Very easy to connect. Let's just swipe down from the top right, go to settings. Then we want to go to the Bluetooth options and make sure this is turned on. Then if there is an option to scan or refresh, press that button, but just go to your AirPods now, open up the case. Hold down the pairing button on the back and you'll see that this will try to connect now. If you hold this down, the light is going to blink. Then we can press refresh. Should say my AirPods name is on here. Here it is, Timothy's AirPods. I'm going to connect them now. And it is now connected. Right here. And it's active. So I'm getting audio through here now as soon as I remove them. I can press the I can go to forget and remove them from my device too if I no longer want to use them anymore. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below. For more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.